Akiaria hindi ya icera riake ria gucoka na mucii thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Nyambene mwena wa tigania ya ithwiro kaunti-ini ya Meru, Manyara ni atugiritie ikinya ria thirikari ria kuyukia mateta ma arutani aria makoretwo magomete kwa makiria ma thiku 70. No na kuri uguo Manyara nioritie kugie na miario ya uiguithanio ya gucirira mishara na marihi ma nyongerera ma arutani nigetha kugie na kihonia gia gutuura gutigirira migomo ni yathira kaimana.
In most of the cases, some of the students have been in school, they have paid school fees, they were not being taught. But now I would like to thank the government. I would like to thank our lecturers for being very patient. Right now I understand that the negotiations have been fruitful.
Oho Manyara ni akomithetie kuragwo kwa Evans Njoroge uria wari mutongoria wa kiama kia arutwo university-ini ya Meru, kuria riu oritie honge cia ugitiri ciike na guikia ngono aria makuruhanite na njuragano iyo kwaga uguo arutwo matabania mugomo makinyire kihoto kiao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getubwa Maria wa Muigana.